Shalom, 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 shalom. Sa wohwe eye braso nwoma ye edin kan no etire eye dunsia na yi mu adunu mienu na ose hwana wamfa wonsa anka ne wasran na enha na difo brofo kase mo se touch not my anointed and do my prophets no harm. Ade ade ena nipa bebre ensi ewo ya brabo mu a yenhu ne ekoso se kase obi anointed a na chese obi a yasra ne ngo na hunu se twese mu no abre bia besra obi ngu bia na chese sabra ne yi no se omeye okandifo e obi bi mu se wo kai Jeremiah chapter 1 verse 5 a Nyankopon ka kire eye Jeremiah se Jeremiah ansana wo beyi mojato adawo na yam na me Nyankopon na menemu na meyiwo na me dawo se ko na ko ye odifo ewo wankasa wo nkofo so chese abrabo mu ayewo no obia ne de oba be na sase yesu wo de yanko meso me de yanko yesese ye do ye ho a ye nye ho akine na eba ne san na entokwa bebrebe eba ne san na watim wakam bebrebe ya ekoso ewo kristosom abrabo mu empompo ye busua mu ene enoma asisi nyina ni nyina no se enipa bebre ye noma omunnim so omo ankasa na eha omo tie se akaso obi eye prophet eye obi a Nyankopon ayi no na wada enisuade hu bi akere no ya onim di ebesi kind no da bia or envision the future. They are pure leaders who are able to tell people do this, do that, do that. They are the leaders of the land. Eti aprebiara abrabo yimu ubehunu se obi eye okandifo and now bokoko tu obi ewo baabi bia no hunu se nipa no oye kandifo buni se oye odifo if it's one na Nyankopon ada vision bi edi akere no e bia won obi a adwuma bi on de bae make us say adwuma bi a wodi America wo kom no enam obi initiative so and now obi adwen mu na saade no e bae na so woduru mu no eye wo se wankasa no oga me kire wade bi afi wei ene afi edi animu ene emfie dodo aka wabrabo mu nyina ye wadwen se obi a yasra ne ngo ana obi oyo odifo no won ha no ana won tene won sa e won so adenti na meka sa no ma we nyina me kan ma twe wadwen efri bibi so se Nyankopon ebo na de nyina obo akandifo obo adifo obo obi ane de obeye no wasase yeso kai hu se ose my prophets my servants my prophets kire se Nyankopon akoa biara wasoma ne bia obone se oye ne difo eti anya won wase so eso ko hye nkom anya won wase David ewo ne nyomto ahodo nyina mu no no so hye nkom na wo ka de ABC na wo dan Nyankopon ehu ntasam ene nnoma ehu ntanyina edi akere adasama kan hu se adwuma na wom no de oye wo leader no won na envision ehu se ye adwuma ne se ye ne se ye be ne se ya ebekoyi wokoto obi wo adwuma mu ne ntia ye fa nipa no adwuma no se ye hu npa kro se wo ni suade hu eti epagya na so adwuma bi a ahomaso ahantan ana ebre mu nsenkire ne de ne nnoma esi ye ne ntiro hunhu ne esi woni pana barabom ubon se nipa no egusu ana obafo wadwen ho awon ti ase eti aye wo se ukonya position na ya wonpa kro na ba be hwe wasentino aye wo so betimi atete abere bi obedin kan e wo barabom bia kan hu se oye prophet to you. The person has been anointed. You can be anointed. Anointed one aye obi a will take a course obi a initiating into something to take the first seat of any process. Eti adwuma na wo kom no wan de bedin kan ba ho no Corona will come on, one walk and before Corona. A corona will come on, one initiation, and not initiative, and no be a dream, and now one lady corona by. Sandy pan and Yina Pemu. And can Abra Ubemus and Nipan I am Reno, Sabrano and Nipan Yacopo Pigeon. It's a trust him or say, Abra Mayamaran, a one of me madrum I can say a mum. Can who say, and Marayo Ebony Pemu and one chilling me do free baby at wako baby. A free Genesis account could see Revelation. A baby abus will be I am Marabian, na Kaisa Nipano, or call Nimu, no what could you dear a winter and other babonti. Young far brantibia near friend of Samson. Se can't more demo and nipa be dinner was as usual, with me and you know in free. That's what I won't say. A brand was Sano Banasono. He was an anointed person. So you can't touch him anyhow. And nothing na abra. Omo ye omadwen say omunim sa brante no ayemre. Omunim say eni swade hunu no de baaye no asa. Na so kan hu say abra edu brebi ya wo sere Nyankopon. Abra ye omo so ayemre no sa bada no kwampo no kenya ne ho eye no ma na chen de edi nkan. Kan hu say Nyankopon ahyehye mu no ye na munim we nti no omo ta akasem bi say abebi bewu a ene so ababia ewo the quantity or quantum of ensa ana ensafu a itumi ediba out, but embeberebe ya ebu say oh abewe die asa enso sa emesa no ubonu say eba bewu a ana say eba be do stage bia you say embebiem ensa ntimi mfiri mu man. That is when ensa e de papa bi ene ensa bobo timi mfiri mu ba. Eti abra na ye omo se omanya eye Samson wiem akona aprokusu bi ban so na Samson kenya ne ho ne o kenya ne ho no wo ma ne ye omo so ma take charge wo ma ne ye omo so they are now leaders. Those who thought say they were now stronger than him, no, he was able to overpass them. That's the only case here in the Bible. Another instance I share that of Old Testament. Let's go to the New Testament. When you say Abra Yesu Christo ya chechere no, na soldiers ni nim say wa yemre, they thought he had nothing in him again, because Yesu Christo na nipa nyina nim say wa paaba en wo sere gudu so nyina echi no, they thought say yetimi ya chechere no no nwatimi abie na no akase awurade ebe ya nka makuru wei empare mede no mu nim so wa yemre. Wo mutimi ka chere no say wona wo so ho say wona ohene no wona wo se ho say wo tumi no ene eje wo ho. They thought say he couldn't do anything. They thought there was nothing in him. But you know something? When Jesus Christ, when they strived, yeah, a 2 point to minimum say, on to me, Yashibium. The Mujampo, so from me. Say, assassin, I was so. Nature so be a king. I'm at the foundations of where I want. I was so. Sa Pepe and a branch, a friend of Samson, also to me was so the foundations of where he was. Abrebia Nyankopon de ne nwosra aka obi bia wa wonni na obetete no ana obeha no eye wo se Nyankopon tumi na free no so no sa nipa no eye no ma eton no ehu wonim se asrafo meka soldiers na mo Kristo enase abra owu ye no ensankyerene esi ye no it caused them a change in their life. It determines say abra wa ha obi no, the heart within the person will determine say the other can say, Papa, it will have effects. If it is bad, it will also have effects. Samson, or catching a composer man who were there, who bet him there destroy one. Yes, he had that strength and he was able to destroy them. He was able to conquer them. They thought, say, so why don't we take advantage of that? But let's go to that of Jesus Christ. He could have what? I said, but when you said this was what was in Stephen, like a Stephen, but to me, I catch her almost say a radin kuom because a brother Stephen or more a sinner born. Bible just say, O man and so now, a man and so no say Christo, Ejina and Sa and Yakopon and Sendifaso. The moment in the Bible, over to say Christo, Ejina Yakopon Sendifaso, Ojina Hop, and you saw to who? What is Ojina Hop? Just say it is time to judge. It just said the Obekabia Mayama. A bribia Bubia. Say Christo, just what to who or to where an uncle. Nemo Ojinawa, it means he is trying to judge for us. He is trying as much as possible to say the Obekabia by Yama. It's the Nakupon Asran and whatever Brabumono. A dad and a woman. But Nanko was son of a yes, Steven. It's because a radical woman, no Caseradi, Omunim no more factual. But when you say a no crampon pole. When you are switching, then he fry, I will cancel a walk because he had tied someone who was anointed. When he says so, Ofitian or so, and no one could call more that must was crossed on one. What can't trust some now? A bra you come a Steven, a brantia or more shin or tarry, a Steven tarry, you are more born a born. The modern tarry and could good in us, and that was so. Read your Bible. What can't trust some now, son of Patrick. Now, so. And now call ya Well, yeah, now you say, oh, you're Timmy Kumwe, so let's continue. The first one, no deal. AS7 would demand Captain said, every faction. But one more Macan function, the matter is, Omudu Muso Biara, what it is, Biara, no money. It's in Nipa who control the Juman. Yeah, was said Nipano, a choir no faso, and Messi Cabajumanimu, a choir no faso, Yan and Norman said, yeah, a cop. The anointing on that person, the calling on that person. Yeah, no, your friend who beg you, oh, a cop. It's why don't I say, one and know so your gas is so about Beshamasi. First, come from the peg mouth, Hokerampuna, I saw a young hostile be no, yeah, so about Beshamasi. So let me just manipulate the person. Let me tell you something. Because the person was the first person that you came into. Make sure yourself, one hand. It doesn't matter how powerful you are than that person. Because the person is anointed. The person has been ordained. When you say, Abra Brantia, your friend, David, a control said, Samuel, a soul, at that the form. No, what that had say. Now, could bet me the giant, and as a piano, one manaka form. Don't must be okay. Was said the yes running one, men fast can, na pion, and can it dark, men find one. Yes, want to mean a bit. It will be a software and one more impo, almost sorry, tear David Ahini. One more year, someone, a kunkuma month when you know him do ye. One can find the second and one more da. One what me pam or non the Mwako walk and Casasso, or what me the Omuko rat and no mas no more kunkum. This a bimo the second a warm. And no be pray and a happy. David knew the secrets of these things. David was very smart. If we say Bible according to a breso self and woman the tosum the yimu dunsia a chich a dunsia the yimu a dunum beka a First Chronicles chapter 16 verse 22 was saying touch not my anointed and do my prophets no harm. Because now Saul and who say Abrantia ye frano a Saul was sham komda. It is Saul was a prophet. 2. Abrantia ye friend Saul. Now you be an Yakupon was so he was anointed too. So he is neither going to harm him or touch him. There are so many people, whether you know it or not, the moment you hear the person is saying, or people are saying the person is called, your friend will be on, mind your ways. Okay, Numbers chapter 12, verse 1, Abrantia be your friend, Moses. No, you're not and was saying, but you know something? To his brethren, they thought he has erred. No one so I am for so can see be adintra because Moses a koware or powerful for canero. And man in your bar Miriam and Aaron in your bema a con in chain. I go business when I was in a powerful. Are you the one who is boasting of yourself? Say you have been anointed, you have been the prophet of us. So why are you doing this stuff? Nakopon say and a bufu no catch it so Moses nearby Miriam and Aaron said, Monka Moses when I move from people. Abra Mudu Horn, the Nakopon ye. The Nakopon catcher and said, found such a cuckoo. Miriam, Edenesa, a share hase, Yawi, and Nakota Ajahon. Nina said, and some point. Won't mean finding sense here, Bonabon Cassette and Yakopon D for anyhow. We have touched the anointed men of God, the prophets of God. We have tied them. How did we tie them? The way they talk, it looks like say, I'm the boy Yakupon evil. They talk and behave like they have what it takes as a warm and a friend, sir, in the pardon. But I will say, won't me and Yankupon a human man. So who will be a bibia, bompire man? Say, Odifobi, and now will be a would do a new Ewajumu, Yadi, and yes, will become retirement and not before some Shamero. Now you're wondering, say, you want to outsmart the person who couldn't train an engine. You want to tie that person. Don't do him any harm. It doesn't matter what the person is doing to you. It doesn't matter what is going on. Your father, your mother, whom you are under. Be careful. Before you take any step in life from today, Be careful of who and how you treat people. Whom are you treating and how are you treating them? Where are you treating them to? What's the soft being was a man and the American one? Nyankopon eyi amman panifo bi e de sisi o man yi so. Amunya mfon so de na wo say ke bom pae mo. I'm telling you from today, who say Nyankopon di fo bi ne sofo bi ana pani pi wo oman ne mu. Ye no ma bia ensem fata kan hu say enkofo o mo hye nase no e mo mpae man. That's it. Paul de bia no bom mpae say. Samoko mukuto yem na mo bom mpae mo bi man. Mo bi mame minyaya na kame we be mintimi nye. Minyaya kame ba mo be no ma bi asime kwan. Do you know the moment someone is being anointed, that is when a normal eso eba na brabo. Temptations comes in the life of people as a means to pass on to another level. It is almost say obi a leader, obi a apostle, obi a pastor, obi a teacher, obi a minister, obi a way. Now we say no maybe a war here no. I say it is unusual for you. Be careful. Don't use that as a means to talk anyhow to that man of God. Before the person became a man of God, answer the ever friend so ye Nyankopon nipa. Kan wo so ye nipa. Wa ka so ye Nyankopon nipa. Je so ye nipa ene afre no say o me Nyankopon dia. Eti kan wo say enoma na ewo mu. Ebetimi amana ye enoma bi abadwen say nipa we ni. Wonim say abra hana eko Elia hon. Na Elia de obo ne mpae. No bomb pie. Obi adim say Elia you opia. Oya 45. Ya ohuhuhu no ma. Adibio timi hu no de eba. Bodim de David. Etru me bia nipa timi call the flesh aspect. Eya da bia na be hu no ma nyina as it is. It doesn't matter how anointed you are. Say bi bia wo wiase bia be hu. Etru me bia mpo. Wa wo so ye anointed pa no ma bi wa na bel. You will never see it. You will never ever see it. Why? Nyankopon hye ne sa sane be ya. So when you know and now you are not going to succumb yourself to certain people. Na Hannah bomb pie. Say yes, she obi besenanwa. Do you know what he was doing? That lady was doing? She was just speaking in tongues. But enam say na Elia and kasa walk kanuntin. No him say na obey abronsa. And wakasa kasa anyhow. But the children, nine names are Hannah, and him dear all ye nintim. Do you know, say, or share senia home concron at sea? A year is sure for no sooner. They were speaking like I'm of what I say a day and a person my bronzana. That's how the Spirit of God does. At times it's me a fool beam. The way the person might be misbehaving according to you. One fear you speak ill about the person. Don't speak to hurt someone. Don't steal from someone because you want the person to be disgraced so that you take the opportunity up. Who is the anointed man of God in your life? It could be your manager, it could be your secretary, it could be your boss, it could even be someone who is very close to you that you don't even cherish. Don't you even know, say, the presence of those people and the Obo on my anointing in such a way, say, a human one mono, a beer or you cleaner or one, but cleaner no angels no me trying to wish you or power presence wanting with you may cost. But when you are just harassing that person, walk a soul back anyhow. It is all yan and you pan free human mope. It was a human neck of why dream one tears yet down. Say, what do you have? What you man say? Shankofu be a free hormone. That's just the timings of when those things started happening, and you get to know say kofubu honma umoso bo obedwuman no obedwuman no be patcho no ba and you be a wo patcho biara na e chese nipa no on ne hia obu on ma na wo hia no na so na bofu na epia no e na bo mpai bo bia wa bo nti no maba san kofusan we say they are anointed, they are prophets because their presence carries the anointing of God. So those people, touch them not and do them no harm. Nipa no ye adwuma ma wo. E wo se ni sika wo de ma no, wo mfa ma no. Wo kan James a eye Yakob ngoma na. ade ba ko a Yakubu ekaye ana James kaye ne say wonim se odwumayeni no akatwea no ya wasam nanim fifire ede ama wo no enni kwan se wotwentwa won nase ewo efise so wo yesade no na nipa no esugu the Lord of Sabaoth so a wo be chew. Do you know the Lord of Sabaoth? The Lord of Sabaoth is no one but Yeshua HaMashiach, who is the Lord of hosts. It is biblical context be on ma Bible version be on ma you try the Lord of hosts baby on mo so you try the Lord Sabaoth. It just okofo the otimini Israel Jacob ekokun ye no society dey no so say nipa na what the salary. Ghana is suffering. Our country, there's one thing to decode it. Until the leaders of this land seek to redress these issues. Or how near mania ko my say empenifuano anhwe no mo anhwe the issue. Or how near mania a salary system. Edeko ya manvu su abadomo akatua. When you so bo on my own, or you so spiritual, I said the moment the person say, oh my penny no matter what you do, you can go to any prophet or any apostle, any evangelist you have ever, because the person has spoken. It's the way you need. Say nipan de bufuo ne yaw esugu Nyankopon so awurade betie no asen de wo beti you. Yes, ade na ye ne de an often unlawfully. Eti nipa bebre ayare yare, nipa bebre wo ohaw because they tied the anointed men of God. You can say man of God, Mr. Man of God no nkyeresa chenchena ache. Obi a wode tie aboni minim. Enyo obi a wa hyesi uto. Enyo obi a wa dress shepe ne friend man of God. Ye ka obi Nyankopon ye den afre no. Jeremiah, Nyankopon ka kyerem. O se Jeremiah, ansa na yo moja to down na yem na minim. Na me frɛ se odifo e ma woman. Nipa bia wasasi so bia Nyankopon enipa no. Nyankopon when you are dealing with people you have to be cautious. Otherwise and no maybe on mesisi wo ya brabo mu a na de kohyen kofo bi na yaka se we na ye se e na we na ye se. Enwen sade no bi. Enwen sade no bi. O hawo ne amane ya yakofa betu yeso yi. Bebre o hon mu a eye yan kasa ne yepe. Ya ne yepe ena ko fasa o haw ene amane no e de aba betu yeso. Na de meka ne se emfa wonsa enka Nyankopon de Nyankopon asra ne won. Na enya no chese emma no nkwa mane bi mu. Na so mane kwa mane mu a hon mu na be hu se yes Nyankopon enso ne wodi. Abrantie no mu nyina enim se bebi aduru de Yesu Kristo ayemre. Enti nyina betimi de yansa keka no bi. Na wonim se abrantie a odi nkan ema ye de Yesu Kristo kwa amane hunu mu no nim se wafa ne ho adi because nim se bra na so wawu yi de wawu. Wonim se abra Yesu Kristo eduru pampanso a moja no besofo wodi Amerika erahye ekotu sike ne nyina gu na wokokosha ne ho akonfo na wokoye ne yam ne nsu mu no ma nyina tue kyerɛ sɛ enkwasea noma sɛne Bible no ka sɛ ogibi nchie ɔse de ɛsɛfata no yɛn kan kyerɛ no obi a wɔsɛe noma ɔsɛe nkwa ɛne ɛfrɛ no kwasea nkwasɛefo life within someone na sɛ wɔsɛe na wo na woyɛ kwasea sɛ no sɛ wɔkwasea ɛne sɛ na koma mu se Nyankopɔn bie no ɛti nipa bia wɔ ha nipa ekum nipa ehwie nipa mogya gu bia ɔno ne ɛfrɛ no sɛ mogya hwie gu ho asɛm ɛyɛ bloodshedding yɛdi nka aka no ɛwɔ poto kasɛm nanso minim sɛ da foforo no yɛbɛkɔ full content and the mysteries behind it. Eti watch out for that. Sɛ enche bia yɛde no so ba na mmom de bi twatwo ne sɛ ɛmfa wo nsa ɛnka de yasra ne ho anaa de Nyankopɔn ayi no ya wo yi Nyankopɔn difo efisɛ ɔtaa yɛ saa de na wo yɛ wo ho aboro na saa aboro no esusunsanso ba ɛkɔ wo ne wasefo nyina so Nyankopɔn tena ne mu ncho na wonya wo kese na ɔma wu sɛ saa de we na wotie no ɔdo edrum pempenso bi Nyankopɔn adom nyɛ kese wo so wonyame agya ɔba ɛne wo kokoro di mu shalom.